The ICSR is a pan-institutional centre which brings researchers from across all faculties together to accelerate impact against the Sustainable Development Goals. As a member of the ICSR, you will have access to our growing network of researchers and external partners, as well as priority access to our workshops and other events.
In order to be able to tackle the really big, difficult problems that are posed through the UN Sustainable Development Goals will require ambitious research programmes that lean on the expertise of different individuals, the techniques from different disciplines, and bringing those together to be able to tackle truly ambitious projects. The first year of the Centre's work focused on the topic of climate action, where we held a series of workshops and sandpit events that enabled us to convene teams of researchers from different disciplines and allowed them to explore ideas that have turned into project proposals. We've recently moved on to a new topic of reduced inequalities, and this has come in response to the large volume of research that we know goes on within individual disciplines. Researchers who have participated in our sandpit events have had the opportunity to apply for seed funding to support initial investigations into the topic ideas that they have come up with. This then provides a springboard for them to articulate the research objectives and build these into full project ideas and funding bids. We involve our external partners in dialogue and in project development and project implementation work in order to make sure that our stakeholders' needs are represented and are also impacted by the interdisciplinary research that we do that's arising from the Centre.
To become a member of the ICSR, you can follow the link on our website or email me at icsr@liverpool.ac.uk.